Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. I'm going to review Snack Pack Pudding from Conagra Company. So this is, I think it's butterscotch flavored. My wife bought the 4 packs of them, and then what they come in is like a little cardboard holder, and ended up taking them out and just putting them in the refrigerator. So the main label is gone. Doesn't say anything on here. There's nothing, not even the flavor name is on here. So it's a good little whipped cream type stuff. So there's like about 1 inch of the whipped cream type stuff there. That's banana. That's banana. Okay. That's good. I don't think it's anything fancy like banana cream or something like that. I think it's just banana. The butterscotch looks similar to that color. My mom would make pudding all the time when I was growing up. It was a simple thing to make. Mm-hmm. Good stuff. Sweet. It's made with real milk. I don't think it's enough to bother somebody that's got a little lactose intolerant type stuff going on. Pretty good, yeah. I like it. Snack Pack. That's the name of the brand. The company is Conagra. So I didn't actually know that Snack Pack was the name of the brand. But yeah, pretty good. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. It's kind of short video, but not really a whole lot to say about it. It's got a creamy pudding texture to it, and sweet. Whipped cream is sweet. Tastes like a good quality pudding for what it is. But yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.